Another episode of Bank House, and here we're putting a skylight in on a Northeast Philly home, and what we're doing is we're going to seal this, and the install went in pretty good. And a necessary thing for you to seal a skylight on a roof is painter's acrylic latex glue. 25 years. This stuff will hold up forever. And, well, I'm going to show you how we're going to seal this here. Hold that, please, sir. Thank you. We're going to caulk all the gaps. You just got to do that. And make sure it's painter's caulk, because anything exterior, any exterior caulk, it's just too much money. And it's such a waste of time. I mean, why would you? Another tube here. Because you don't want to skimp on the painter's caulk. This stuff, you put just a little extra on, it'll be watertight forever. Going here. Just gonna do that. Then I'm gonna smooth it out with my hand. Looks like we got it pretty good around so far. You agree that looks pretty good?
Looks good.
Okay. We're doing good work here. So now I'm going to just smooth it out. And as you see here, it looks pretty good. I mean, if you could think of a better way, you know, put up a comment or something, but this is guaranteed for just about life. Okay, and you think we should get a picture of this before we make roof muck?
No.
No? Okay. Just smoothing out here. Patience, people, patience. Just smoothing this out. It's a little trick of the trade to make roof muck is some black spray paint. Because if you really want to seal it, you need black spray